Eto na. Kaya hindi magpakupahan ng masita para mag-interview. Now I'm dressed. Ready na ako. Ready na ako to play sa And, eto na. Wait for that.
Hinasa muna ni Shelly ang kanyang pagkontrol sa kanyang emosyon sa kanyang pagharap sa mga miyembro ng V.
Hey, first I would like to welcome you to the Philippines. This is your first time here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, since they are now very famous, even though they haven't been together for more than a year, I would like to know if they would be interested in doing dramas or going into acting.
Yeah,
If they will have a chance to have some like program in the Philippines, they want to join it.
Pero ang kaba niya, hindi pa rin humumpa.
Or help.
Ay, bago kami magkita ni Kim Hyun-jung, kailangan malaman ko muna kung anong masasabihin ko sa kanya. Kailangan ko lang magsalita ng mga a few words in Korean. Para naman maiwelcome ko na siya ng bonggang-bongga sa Pilipinas, di ba? You should have said, sarangheyo. Ay, huwag na natin sabihin yun. Sa asawa ko na lang, sarangheyo, honey. Ano? Hindi sasabihin ko, annyeonghaseyo. Ang saya. Ay, sana maalala ko later. Eto na, pumasok na tayo. Halika na, naghihintay na siya. Game. It's time. Are you ready for me?
Magandang hapon mga taga-Showbiz Central. Ito na ang moment na hinihintay ko kanina pa pinaghandaan ko. With me now is Kim Hyun-jung. Okay, for his last project, which is Voice Over Flowers, si played Ji-hoo. His first acting stint, I would say, okay, this is the reason why he's very popular in the Philippines. Were you surprised when you got here? A lot of fans? You have a lot of fans?
이제 필리핀에서 그 남자가 방영을 했다는
Voice
것만은
Over Flowers aired here in the Philippines, but he didn't expect that that drama would make a lot of fans. So he was very amazed, and he was very happy. And if he gets any chance to have another drama, he wants to visit it. He can do it here, right? Ay, naku, nalulungod na ako talaga sa kanyang tingin. Okay.
Pero ngayong tapos na ang official business niya, oras na para ihatid ni Jelly ang mga tunay na katanungan niya.
Are you single? Or do you have a special someone back in Korea?
지금 여자친구나 한국에
As of now, he doesn't have any girlfriend in Korea. So available na, so available girls. What qualities does he look for in a girl? What type of girl does he like?
이상한 친구처럼 편안하고 그리고 재밌는 사람이 좋을 것 같아요.
He wants to have good friends and who is check. Okay? Yes. Who is comfortable to talk and have great time. Check. Great time. Yeah. Okay, now, if he finds somebody that he likes, how will he approach the girl?
필리핀은 섬이 엄청 많은 나라라서 섬에 같이
He has some true love. He wants to invite
노래를
the girl
불러보거나
into an island and then he can sing. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining us today. It's such a pleasure talking to you. I hope you come back here soon.
Ito na. Dito siya nakaupo kanina eh. Ito, habang nakatingin ako sa kanya, ito yun. Focus lang. Dito siya uminom. Wag naman. Anyway, nako, I enjoyed myself. I was so nervous. Nervous ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako nakapagtanong. Para ako nalulunod sa kanyang mga bata kapag sumasagot siya. Ang ganda ng mata niya. Hindi ko kinakaya. Honey, I'm so sorry. Tao lang. Anyway, gusto ko siyempre magpasalamat sa Showbiz Central for letting me do this for them. Hopefully, next time, ako ulit ha. Kamsahamnida.